Today we're going to learn how to solve one-step addition and subtraction equations. If you notice in this first problem, n plus 6 equals 8. Our variable, our letter that stands for an unknown number, is n. We're adding a 6 to it. We want to get rid of this 6 because we always want our variable to be by itself. So in order to get rid of the plus 6, we have to do the opposite. So we're going to take away a 6 from this side. What we do to one side of the equal sign, we do to the other side. These two numbers are opposites, positive 6 and a negative 6. Opposites are always equal to 0, so these two are going to cancel each other out. And what we have left is an n equals 8 minus 6 is 2. So n equals 2 is our final answer. We can always go back and check this by substituting our answer in for the variable. 2 plus 6 equals 8 is a true statement, so we know that our answer is correct. All right, let's move on to the second problem. 7 equals y plus 2. Again, we're trying to get our variable y all by itself, so I need to get rid of the plus 2. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 on this side of the equal sign, and I do the same thing to this side. These two are opposites. Again, they're going to equal 0, so all I have left is y. And 7 minus 2 is 5. And this is okay that our variable is on the opposite side as it was in our first problem. Wherever the variable starts in the problem, you just want to leave it there in your final answer. And again, we can go back up and check by substituting in. 7 is equal to 5 plus 2. That's a true statement, and so we know our answer is correct. All right, let's take a look at our last example here. Negative 7 equals c minus 6. I look for my c, there's my variable. I want to get it by itself, so this says minus 6. I'm going to do the opposite. So I'm going to add a 6 to this side, and I will also add a 6 to this side. Here are my opposites. Opposites make our 0, so I'm going to bring down my variable c. And a negative 7 plus 6 is a negative 1, and so my answer, negative 1, is equal to c. If I put it once again into my equation at the top, a negative 1, take away 6 more, does give me a negative 7, so I know my answer is correct. This is how we solve one-step addition and subtraction equations.